Welcome to today's meditation session, where we will explore the infinite potential within you and open the doors to abundance in every aspect of your life. I will guide you through this journey, helping you release barriers, harness your inner strength, and welcome the wonderful things the universe has prepared for you. Before we begin, I want you to ponder an important question. What is your greatest desire in life right now? Take a moment to reflect and identify your dreams and aspirations. Then, write a powerful affirmation, beginning with I am. For example, I am abundance, I am love, or anything you wish to manifest in your life. Now find a comfortable sitting position. Keep your back straight, but relaxed, allowing your body to be at ease naturally. Close your eyes and begin to take deep breaths. Feel your breath. Each inhale and exhale, gentle but full. As you inhale, imagine a warm light beginning to shine from within you. This light symbolizes the potential and strength hidden inside you. With each inhale, feel this light becoming more radiant, gradually spreading from the center of your body outward. This light is not just a source of positive energy, but also represents all the good things awaiting you. As you exhale, imagine that all tension, worries, and obstacles are gradually dissipating, being swept away with your breath. Each exhale is a release of pressures and fears that have held you back. Let this warm light replace all negativity, filling your body and soul with strength and confidence. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing this light to spread to every corner within you, illuminating all the dark places and helping you realize the infinite potential that lies within. This aura symbolizes abundance, strength, and your infinite potential. Feel the warmth and peace this aura brings, enveloping the entire space around you. Now, visualize this light beginning to form a path in front of you. This path glows brightly, leading you to a large golden door, radiating brilliant light. This door symbolizes infinite abundance, where all your dreams and aspirations can come true. Every step towards this door brings you closer to the life you've always desired. When you reach the golden door, pause for a moment and feel the power emanating from it. Feel the warmth and joy in your heart, knowing that all good things await you on the other side. Raise your hand, gently push the door open, and as it opens, imagine a radiant space filled with light appearing before you. This is the space of abundance, where everything you desire is present. Step through the threshold and feel the change within your mind and body. All tension, anxiety, and obstacles are left behind. You are stepping into a world full of love, health, happiness, and prosperity. all your dreams and desires can become a reality in this space. Let this abundance flow through your soul, nurturing and protecting you on the journey ahead. Now, imagine yourself walking along a path of light, and ahead you see a figure approaching. This is the perfect version of yourself in the future, the version you've always wanted to become. Observe closely, from the confident expression on their face to the peace in their eyes. Listen to the advice and encouragement from this version of yourself. They are conveying valuable messages, helping you realize that all the strength and potential you need already lies within you. Now, imagine slowly merging with this perfect version of yourself. Feel the light and energy from them flowing into you, spreading throughout your body, reinforcing your confidence and inner strength. This union will activate the infinite potential you've always had, helping you move forward confidently on the path to achieving your dreams. Finally, slowly bring your mind and body back to the present, carrying with you a sense of peace and readiness for a deep, restorative sleep. Before finishing, repeat these positive affirmations. I am worthy of all the good things in life. I am a magnet for positive energy. I am in harmony with the universe. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am surrounded by love and support. I am filled with gratitude for everything I have. I am resilient and can overcome any challenge. I am at peace with myself and my surroundings. I am the creator of my own reality. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am aligned with my highest purpose. I am confident in my abilities. I am open to receiving all the blessings of the universe. I am a source of inspiration for others. I am empowered to make positive changes in my life. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am connected to the infinite wisdom within me. I am deserving of love and respect. I am fearless in pursuing my dreams. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am a beacon of light and positivity. I am living my life with purpose and passion. I am open to new opportunities and experiences. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am attracting wealth and prosperity into my life. I am a beautiful expression of love and compassion. I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. I am a vessel of peace, love, and joy.